Hey, tech enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's making waves in the job market, how AI is actually creating more jobs than ever. You've probably heard the scare stories about robots taking over, but let's set the record straight. First, let's talk numbers. IKEA, for example, implemented a customer service chatbot and retrained 8,500 employees for roles like interior design advice. That's a big shift from answering phones to offering expert home decor tips. In a study by Stanford, 5,200 customer support reps saw a 14% productivity boost thanks to AI. For the least skilled workers, that boost was a whopping 34%. And companies like Alorica, they introduced an AI translation tool that helps reps communicate in 200 languages. Now they're hiring aggressively. Here's the key takeaway. If productivity equals growth, then growth equals more jobs. Even the US government has found little evidence that AI will negatively impact overall employment. Think about historical breakthroughs: the steam engine, electricity, the internet. They all eliminated some jobs but created so many new ones. A study from MIT showed that 60% of the jobs in 2018 didn't even exist in 1940. These jobs were enabled by technologies that didn't exist yet. So even if your current job becomes obsolete, there will be new opportunities. But you'll need to know how to use new tech. In that spirit, here's a short list of AI tools to add to your workflow today to speed up your efficiency. Perplexity for search. It might be faster than Google or ChatGPT for what you need. Claude for project management and writing. Check out a prompt library to help you get started. Whisper for talk-to-text, whether it's dictation, transcription, or something else. There are alternatives too. Midjourney or Ideogram for high-quality imagery. We've got a guide on how to use them. Topaz Gigapixel to upscale low-quality images. Dashworks or Guru to build an AI knowledge base of all your apps and documents. So don't fear AI, embrace it. Learn it, use it, and remember the future of work is in your hands. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI news and trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.